ಲೇಟ್ ಬಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋತಾನೆ. Yes, good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the 9th foundation course and also the Lokagnan 9th foundation. I call this course as Lokagnan 9th foundation course. In fact, I started this course, foundation course, to act as a basic course for writing competitive examinations after PUC2. In fact, we are converting it into IIT foundation course later. But at this time, at this juncture, problem is students have no sound basic of the theory itself. Then I thought we should start from the basic things and develop it up to the IIT levels later when we get ample number of the students, interested students. Right now, I will focus on 9th standard science and maths. In this course, I will be taking classes on science and maths 9th standard. I believe firmly that to do well after 12th standard, you will be writing some competitive examinations. The competition is a national level now. Therefore, you need to have a lot of training right from the, many students are doing it from 6th standard, from 8th standard. They are called as a foundation course. It means suddenly if you go for that big competitive atmosphere, you cannot manage it. So if you start working right now from 8th standard or 9th standard, you can improve better by 12th standard. So therefore, my classes are oriented towards improving your basic concepts, improving your understanding of basic school mathematics. So today I will introduce you mathematics of 9th standard. So you know that school mathematics is a basic mathematics on the foundation of which you can develop the higher mathematics. You know that the mathematics is classified, school mathematics is classified into broadly into what? Two types, that is two branches. One is called as arithmetic, right?
Yes.
Arithmetic. Then you have algebra and geometry. Can you tell me what you mean by this? What you are doing here? Oh, they are classified. So you know, arithmetic deals with the numbers. Arithmetic means what? What is arithmetic? Arithmetic is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of numbers and their operations, right? You started arithmetic with the numbers and their operations and the properties. That is what is called as arithmetic. But what you are doing in case of algebra? And arithmetic finds wide application in day-to-day life. Without numbers, you cannot do any activities in the day-to-day life. Number is a part and heart of our life. Without number, you cannot start the life. Everywhere you see the number. Therefore, knowledge of the arithmetic is very much important even to lead the day-to-day life. Therefore, the mathematics parts are very, very close to the life. Without number, you cannot do anything in your day-to-day life. Take time, time is a number. You take money, money is based on number. You take your age is based on number. And everything is in number. You go to market and you purchase anything, that is all number. Without number and units, you cannot manage anything in day-to-day life. So another branch is algebra. What is the difference between arithmetic and algebra? Just sitting at the outside. What is the difference between arithmetic and algebra? In algebra, two things will be there. Numbers will be there. Along with that, some variables will be there. Very important. The numbers are called as constants. Very important. Generally, an algebraic expression consists of two parts. A number, along with that, a variable. Two things will be there. What do you mean by constant and what do you mean by variable?
Constants means numbers.
Constants means anything which cannot change its value is called as a constant. What do you mean by variable? Variable is unknown. Unknown factor is generally taken as a variable. and it will change it can change its value. It can change its value. Change its value. Variable can change its value. It can get desired value. Constant is fixed. It cannot change its value. It cannot change its value. Okay, change its value. Value of the constant cannot change. Constant will be fixed. Variable is variable. What do you mean by variable? Variable can go on changing. You can give different values to the variable. Generally, variables are expressed as with end letters X, Y, Z, so on. Generally, end letters of the alphabets are used for variables, right? And so that is algebra. An algebraic expression consists of two things. One is called as constant term. Another one is variable. Like algebraic expression, you learned already. 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. It's an algebraic expression. So wherein 2, 3, 5 are called as constant, where x and y are variables. That is what you are learning in algebra. Then what about the geometry? Actually, the word geometry has got two words. Geo means earth. Metria means measurement. Actually, it was started as a tool of measurement. Measurement ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? A line. It is a geometrical figure. What it is? A circle. So it is a geometrical figure. What it is? A triangle. It is a geometrical figure. What it is? Means construction and measurements of sides and angles of a polygons. That is a circle, a triangle. Then you can take a ellipse. Okay. Then you can take a parabola. Ithara shapes alla bartava. Parabola, ellipse, circle, triangle, geometrical figures. Polygons, pentagons, hexagons. Like this, you will be measuring and constructing different geometrical figures. And that is what, and properties of different geometrical, properties of the triangles, properties of the circles, properties of the quadrilaterals, like properties of the equal, that is different types of the triangles, like equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, you learned. Scalene triangle, you learned. Even in quadrilaterals also there will be a trapezium. So there will be a square, there will be a rectangle, there will be trapezium. Then you have a different quadrilaterals will be there, pentagons will be there. And the measurement of their angle and the construction and the properties, etc. you will be learning in this branch called as geometry. We call them as theorems. So geometry is also a branch which deals with the study of geometrical figures observed in day-to-day life. And in case of algebra, you will come across constant and the variables. And in case of arithmetic, you will have numbers, right? And handing of the number, different types of the number sets, right? And how their operation, basic operations of the numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, already learned at lower classes. Directly. And to start with some of the basic things in algebra and arithmetic, I got a small bridge course so that you will understand how we can give different values to that, how we can get the expression, how the algebraic expressions will be there, how you can make the calculations without mistakes. Generally, you come across, in case of algebra, substitution of a value, unknown value. There will be some values, even they are expressed with the small letters, maybe even small a, small b, small letters. And sometimes in algebra, constants are expressed by small letters and variables are expressed by n letters, like ax, right, plus by plus cz is equal to 0, like this. Small letters abc represent the constant terms and x, y, z represent the variable, right? So by giving a definite value to the variable, you can get the values of the algebraic expressions, right? So I got a small bridge course, and wherein you will understand how to put the values and get the correct answer to it. So to give that training, I got some of the questions, bridge course questions, and I will show you, and they will help you to improve your substitution skills. Right? So then I will start the chapter after 1 or 2 days of the basic things. I will start the chapter number system, first chapter. And before that, some algebraic expressions I have here. You try to find out the value, right? Take this one. Find the value of this. You can consider it as a bridge course for algebra. Okay, bridge course. Okay. Find the value of the expressions. Find the value of. Take the first problem. Find the value of. Find the value of the following expressions. The following expressions. Find the value of the following expressions. So this is a general question. I will take the first one. I'll give some values. If A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0, D is equal to 2. I'll give expressions now. How quick you get depends on your calculation speed. Okay. I will take the first one. Right? A square. Both arithmetic and algebra will be. You are putting the value of A and finding the value, answer of it. What do you get?
9.
A square will be, you will get the 3 square is equal to what? 9. Then if I take a B square, this is called a substitution of the values. You will come across in algebra and even in everywhere in the mathematics calculation, substitution of the values and getting the answer. 3 square. What is B square is?
1.
So B square is 1 square is a 1. Right? The third one. What is AB plus D? AB plus D. Simple multiplication, simplification, calculation skills will be improved. AB plus D. How fast you calculate is very important. AB just 1 to 3 into 1 plus what is D is 5.
2. 2, sir.
Sorry, D is 2. What do you get? Final answer is 5. And I have the fourth one. A into bracket B plus D. Look at the values. I am showing you some calculations which will improve your speed also. What is A? Is 3 into bracket B plus D. What is B plus D?
1.
Shabash. 3 into
3. 9.
1 plus 2 is 3. You have 9. Fifth one. 2C plus 3D. 2C plus 3D. Start. 2C plus 3D. What do you get? You get 2 into what is C? 0. Plus 3 into what is D?
2.
2. Calculate and tell me the answer.
6.
2 into 0 is 0 plus 6. You will get the answer 6. Hope you understood.
Yes.
And the sixth one. 2A square. Seventh one. 2A whole square. Calculate 2A whole square. And eighth one. Your substitution skill. 4AB plus 3BD. And ninth one. A plus BC. And the 10th one. D cube. Calculate quickly and tell me your answer.
6th one is 18.
Sixth one is 18. How it is? 2 into what is A square is 3 square. You are right. What about second one?
36.
2A whole square. What is 2A? 2 into 3 whole square. 6 square is 36. Very good. What about next one? Calculate for yourself to check, to make your mind to calculate. 4 into A into B. What do you get? Your answer?
12.
4AB plus 3BD. What do you get?
6.
12 plus 6. Final answer?
18.
Shabash. What is A plus BC? A plus BC. What is A is 3 plus what is BC?
1 into 0.
1 into 0. What is your answer?
3.
Yes, calculation speed. D cube. D cube.
D cubes.
It is a D cube.
Yes. 8.
2 into 2 into 2. Cube andrena. Must take it as 8. Fine. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you another one. Two. So this in this case, you just observe that you are making substitution. Okay, in algebra.
Yes.
Now you take simplify. Simplify. First expression ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು try. 3p minus 2q plus p plus q. Try. Try to simplify. 3p plus 2q plus p plus q. That's good. Here, one example I'm tooristhini. You have to choose a like terms in the algebra. What are the like terms? What are the unlike terms? 3p and p are like terms. Whenever you have like terms algebra, you have to add them. What do you get? 3p plus p is
4p.
shabash. What is minus 2q plus q is?
Q.
Minus 2q plus q is minus 2q plus q. You have to look at the sign.
Yes. Minus.
Minus 2q plus q. It will be minus q. Sign ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. Silly mistakes generally you commit. What type of silly mistake you do to observe this? I am giving you these questions. Minus 2q plus q is a minus q. Look at the question. Try to simplify. 3p square plus 2pq. 3p square plus 2pq. Handling. Minus q square minus 7pq. Try to simplify as much as possible. Simplify model. Look at here. See, you have to observe like term. What are like terms you have to observe? What are the like terms in this case?
2pq minus
2pq and minus 7pq are only like terms, and just collect them on one side you will get the 3p square plus 2pq minus 7pq is
minus 5.
minus 5pq. Then you have minus q square. Hope you got it. But like terms anna 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Like a simple arithmetic ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದು. But like terms pq ಇದ್ರೆ pq ಹಚ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 2 minus 7 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ -5 ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. pq ಇದ್ರೆ pq ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. So just I am checking your skill of calculations. Try this one. 5p minus 7q. 5p minus 7q minus 2p minus 2p minus 3q plus 3pq. Right? You just collect the like terms and simplify and write. What are the like terms in this case?
5p minus 2.
Exactly. 5 minus 2p will be?
3p.
Directly write 3p. What about minus 7q minus 3q?
Minus 10p.
Shabash. Minus 10q. What about remaining? Is 3pq. That is how you can simplify it. Okay?
Yes.
I will give another one. Multiply. Have to take the product. So product ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ algebraic expression. 5 into bracket 2z plus 3h. Yes, simplify. After taking the product. That's what you get.
10g plus 15h.
Yes. You have 10z, exactly 10z plus 5 3s are 15h. Good. Try this one. Z into bracket 3z minus 2h. Z into bracket 3z minus 2h. Tell me your answer. Multiply. How do you manage? Not really. Algebra number is to be multiplied first. Variable is to be multiplied. What is the coefficient? What is the coefficient of g? 1 into 3 is 3 not right. G into g is
G square.
shabash, g square. Plus into minus is
Minus.
remember
Yes.
that particular plus into minus is minus. Not really. Plus into plus is
Plus.
plus. Plus into minus is
Minus.
minus. Minus into plus is
Minus.
minus. Minus into minus is
Plus.
plus. Look at the result. 3g square. Plus into minus becomes minus. What do you get? 2. 2 is constant. G into h is gh. This is the product. Good. Product. Check. ಈಗ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 3k square. 3k square into bracket 2k minus 5m 2k minus 5m plus 2m. Just to improve your basic things. Take the product. First of all, you have to multiply constants, then you have to multiply the variables. Fine, what do you get? Number 3 2s are, what do you get? 6. K square into k will be k cube. Shabash. Next, sign help. Plus into minus. Minus. Number to number, 3 5s are 15.
K square.
Shabash. What next? What is next term?
Plus
Plus
6k
3 2s are 6. On
square.
multiplication, we'll get k square into n. Shabash. Try this one. 3k minus 2m plus 3n minus 5k. Simplify it after removing the bracket. Yes. These are the questions which will clarify your doubts in the algebra and arithmetic. Basic algebra, basic arithmetic. I'm trying to refresh your ideas through these examples. What do you get here? You will get a 3k. Now to remove the bracket, very important. What is the sign here?
Minus.
Minus into plus is minus n baribeku 2m. Remove the bracket. Minus into plus
Minus.
minus 3n. Remove the bracket. Minus into minus
Plus.
plus 5k. Now simplify. Simplify if it is possible. Are there any like terms remaining? What are the like terms? 3k plus 5k becomes what? 8k minus 2m minus 3m. Any doubts in it?
No.
Okay, fine. I have another question. I think question number 4. Factorize. You know what is factorization?
Plus.
Factorize. Split into different algebraic terms. Look, I will take 3x square plus 2xy. They will smoothly remove the doubt from your mind. What to do to get factorization? To get factors, you have to observe the common terms in it. What are the common terms?
X.
X is the common term. Fine. When you take x common term, what you are left with the bracket?
3x
Shabash, 3x.
plus 2y.
Very good. 2y. What are the factors? X and 3x plus 2y are the factors. Okay, fine. Try this one. 3pq. 3pq plus 6q square. Right? 3pq plus q square. That's your answer. 3pq plus 6q square.
3q into bracket.
3q is common. Very good. What are left in the bracket? P. Fine. Plus
2q.
shabash. Good. Check them again. Hurdles ಬಂದರು. ಏನ್ರ doubts ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. 5x square y minus 7xy square. Handle this. 5x square y minus 7xy square. To get factors, you have to take common. Learn to take the common terms. What are the common terms in it?
xy.
xy. When xy is a common thing, what you are left in the first term?
5x.
5x. Good.
minus 7y.
Shabash. Okay. Any doubts in it?
Yes.
Your expansion or your skills of removing brackets and simplification of algebraic expressions. Is it fifth one? Try this. Try this one. Simplify and right? Simplify. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು expression ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Look at it. Like this. 3a plus 2b plus 5a plus 7c minus b minus 4c. Your ability to identify like terms and calculate quickly without mistake. ಏನು mistake ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Yes, your answer. So like terms are 3a and 5a. What do you get?
8a.
8a. Shabash. What about ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತ ಬರಬೇಕು. What about second one?
Plus b.
2b. ಹೌದಾ?
Yes.
2b minus b. It will be b. Shabash. What about the last one?
3c. Plus 3c.
Exactly. 7c minus 4c is 3c. That will make you to observe like terms and simplify. 3ab plus b. Try this. 3ab plus b plus 5a plus 2b plus 2ba. Try to simplify. Try to simplify.
Yes.
See, 3ab, 2ba, are they same or different?
Same.
Okay. Commutative property.
Yes.
According to commutative property, AB is equal to what? BA. Therefore, you can write 2BA as what?
8.
2AB. You can write. Then you can get 3AB plus 2AB is
5.
5AB. ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ABBA ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. So AB is the same as BA. ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ wherever there is BA, you can put it as AB. Therefore, 2AB, 3AB is 5AB plus
3b.
B plus 2B is a 3B. Shabash. And you are left with
5.
5A. That is how you can simplify. AB and B are not different. Most students get the confusion and other the problem. 7P plus 3PQ. 7P plus 3PQ minus 2P plus 2PQ plus 8Q. Try. Warm up. Algebra. 8Q. Your answer? No.
5
7P minus 2P is you will get 5P plus 3PQ, 2PQ. Answer is
5p.
5PQ. Shabash. And 2P to simplify the what you are left with?
Plus 8p.
Sorry, PQ. Small PQ, small PQ plus 8Q. Is there any term left? No terms are left. Last one. In this set. 5x plus 2y. 5x plus 2y minus 3x plus xy plus 3y plus 2xy. Handle this. Simplify this. What do you get here? 5x minus 3x is
2x.
2x. Shabash. 2y plus 3y is
5y.
5y. 2y plus 3y is 5y. Then you have
xy plus 2xy.
xy plus 2xy will be what? 3xy. Like terms, unlike terms. ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸನ್ ಸಿಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫೈನ್ ಅದ್ರಾಗೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಬಂದು take this multiply just number ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 6 set is to be continued 6 ಅಲ್ಲ
Yes.
okay 2x multiply question is just multiply the factors 2x into 3y solve 3x square into 5xy yes 3 into bracket 2a plus 3b simplify after multiplication 2a into bracket 3a plus 5b speed bits 2p into 3p square plus 2pq plus p square sixth one 2 into 2x square 2x square into bracket 3x plus 2xy plus y square factor multiplication and with speed without mistake with speed without mistake ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ after remove the bracket after multiplication ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಗುಣಿಸಬೇಕು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಟು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಗುಣಿಸಬೇಕು what you get 2 3s are 6 x into y will be xy shabash take next one number tell me your answer
3 5 15
continue
15 x cube y
shabash just to make it to calculate here's quick third one 3 into 2a
6
shabash 6a
9b
shabash 9b next
2 3 are 6 a square
6a square ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9 plus
10ab
shabash 10ab solve next one ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತದ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 2p into bracket 3p square 2p cube p square yes remove the bracket
6p cube
6p cube shabash continue plus
4p cube square
wrong 2p 2p cube ಅದ 2 to the 4 p q square ಅಲ್ಲದು p square cube p into p ಗುಣಿಸಬೇಕು p square
p square cube I told p cube square I don't like
so 4p square into q next plus 2p into p square is
2p cube
shabash try next 2x square into 3x
6x cube
yes 6x cube
2x cube y
I don't think
sorry 4x cube y
4x cube y ಈ ಗಡಬಡ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು 4x cube y next
2x square y
2 into x square y square ಅಂದ್ರೆ your eyes ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾದೊಳಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ your eyes must be very quick okay fine next set ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕದ
yes
how to remove the brackets ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಯು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 7 ಇಫ್ a is equal to ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ a is equal to 2 b is equal to 3 c is equal to 4 d is equal to 5 and you have e is equal to 0 find the value of try this one I'll give some set of questions ab plus cd ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು ab square e ab square d your calculation speed ABD whole square. Try to distinguish between the expressions. A into bracket B plus CD. AB square D plus CQ. AB plus D minus C. A into bracket B plus D minus C. Your substitution skill. How fast you substitute? Start now AB into CD. What is AB? You have to tell me, I should not.
3 into 2.
You will get first term total.
2 into 2.
AB.
Yes. 2 into 3.
Final answer.
Final answer is 26.
26. Let me check it. AB 2 3s are 2 3s are plus CD 4 5s. This is very well. Mind ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 chidra 6 plus 20. Final answer is 26. Very good. Without putting a pen, you try to calculate in mind. Okay. Mind calculation on. Barge. A. What is A is 2. Illo pen hachod beda. That will improve your skill. What is B square?
3 cube 9.
B square 3 square 9. What is A is 2. 2 9s are
18.
18. What is E? 0. 18 into 0? 0. Don't write. Directly write the final answer. That improves your calculation speed. AB square into D. Come on. AB square into D. Okay. A into B square. A is 2. B square is 9. Okay. 2 9s are
18.
18. 18 into D.
5.
5. 18 5s are
9.
Shabash. Write the final answer without substitution. Mind le madundi sir. ABD whole square hachona. What is A?
2.
2. What is B?
3.
3. 2 3s are
6.
6. What is D?
5.
5. 6 5s are
30.
30. 30 square.
90.
30 square. Pen hachona.
900.
Don't apply pen. Exactly. Don't apply pen. Pen apply ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂಕೋದಂಗೆ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡುವ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಏನಾದ ಬಿಡ ಅನ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಪೆನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಲಾರ್ದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A is
2.
2. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ 2. What is B plus CD ಕಂಡು? What is B is 3. What is CD is 20.
20.
B plus 20 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? B is 3. C into D is 20. 3 plus 20
23.
23. Shabash. Into A.
46.
Exactly. Got the idea? So that is the calculation speed, which is 46. A into B plus C. Next one. AB square D ಮಾಡುದು ಮನಸ್ಸಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. What is A? 2. B square 9. 2 9s are
18.
18. 18 into 5. D 5. 90. 90 ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಾಗಿ. What is C cube?
4.
4. 4 cube
64.
64. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 90 plus 64. What is 90 plus 64 is?
154.
Shabash. That is calculation speed. How quick you calculate and write the answer? Substitute the value, write the answer. ನೋಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ. ರೀಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು. What is A?
2.
2. B square
9.
9. 2 9s are
18.
18. 18 into D
5. 18. 90.
90. Correct. C cube
6 cube is 64.
64. 90 plus 4 for the 16. 16 for the 64. Perfect. 90 plus 64. 154. Fine. Next one. What is AB? A into B.
6.
6. Mind ಒಳಗಿದೆ. What is D?
5.
5. 6 plus 5.
6 plus 5. 11.
11. Shabash. Subtract C from it. What is C?
4.
4.
7.
11 minus C.
7.
Shabash. That will improve your skill of calculation. Next. A into B plus D. What is A?
2.
2. What is B plus D?
7. Sorry, sir. 8.
8. A into
16.
A is 2 into 8. 16. Minus C.
15. 12.
Yes.
16 minus 4, sir.
12.
12.
Is it 12? Check again. 12. Check again. Check one. What is A? 2. B plus D? 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 minus 4? 12. Correct. Improve your skill by putting the values. That's why this set is taken. Okay. Take next. Okay. I'll give some more complicated things as you move on. Simplify. Simplify. Is it it?
Yes.
Simplify. I'll give two expressions to simplify, which are a bit more deeper and simplify. 3x into bracket 2x plus 3y plus 4y into bracket 4y into bracket x plus 7y. Try to simplify. Try to simplify. Tell me your answer. What is first one? First of all, you have to take the product of number and number. 3 2s are 6. X into x is x square. Plus into plus is plus. Multiply. Number to number. 3 3s are 9. X into y is xy. Next. Plus. 4y into x. What do you get? 4yx is same as 4xy because commutative property. 4yx is same as students again. 4yx ಬದಲು 9x ಬದಲು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲವು commutative property. That is 4xy. Take the next one. 7 4s are 4 7s are. Yes, 28. Y into y is y square. Finally simplify. What is your answer? 6x square plus
13x square.
Good.
28
Plus 28 y square. Very good. Try next. 5p square into bracket 2p plus 3q plus q square into bracket 3p plus 5p plus pq into bracket p plus 2q. Remove the bracket and simplify. P plus 2q. Yes. 5 2s are. What do you get? 10. P square into p is pq plus number to number goes back. 5 3s are 15. P square into q is shabash. P square q plus q square into 3p is shabash. 3p q square. Continue. Plus into plus is plus. Plus 5 times p shabash. 3p plus 5p. 3p plus 5. Continue.
Plus p
Plus.
square.
Here what you do? pq into p.
P square q.
Shabash. P square q. Silly mistakes ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಸ್ತಾವ್ ಇವು. 2 into. They will make you to do the silly mistakes. pq into q.
No, pq square.
Shabash. pq square. Now take the like terms and simplify if possible. 10 pq. pq terms ಯಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ. Let me write it as 10 pq only. Collect p square q terms. How many p square q terms? P square q. 15 p square q. Then you have p square. How many p square q? 16 p square q. Fine. You take the pq square term. This is one pq square term and this is another pq square. You learn pq square. There are 3 pq square terms. Yes, you have. 8 plus 2, 10 pq square. 10 pq square. Look at your ability to handle the algebraic expressions. Okay, fine. I'll give you another side. Yes, sir. And I got the
Yes.
how to remove the bracket and simplify, identify like terms without mistakes, collect them and handle them. This is the basic skill in algebra, right?
Yes.
Simplification of number day to day life ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ. Okay. Now, question number 9. Again, if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 1. So D is equal to 5. E is equal to 0. Find the value of. Mother. You have to do it in mind. Mother?
Yes.
I will give some questions. A square B plus C square D. A raised to B plus D raised to A. D square minus B square. D minus B into D plus B. D square plus B square. D square plus D plus B into D plus B. 5e into A square minus 3B square. Without, in mind you can do it and write the final answer. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ನೋಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ 3 square 9 9 4s are 36. Put the number 36 in the mind. C square D
5.
C square D 1 into 5 ಎಷ್ಟು 36 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು
41.
Shabash, you got 41. See the interesting thing. A raised to B, D raised to A. What is A raised to B? A raised to B. 3 to the power 4. What is 3 to the power 4 is? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Put the 81 in the mind. Then the D to the power A. D to the power A.
125.
125, very good. 5 cube is 125. Earlier you had 81, 125. 81, 125. Penance, cool. 81, 125. What do you get here? Bring whole numbers on 120 to go 80 to go. 120 plus 80 is 200. ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು 5 ಎರಡು ಚಿಲ್ರಾವಲ್ಲ 5 ಒಂದು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡುದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ 125 81 120 80 ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 120 80 is 200 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 5 ಕೂಡಿಸಲ್ಲ 6 200 plus 6 is 206. Make it comfortable. 206. That should improve your calculation speed. Mind calculation. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. A raised to B ಎಷ್ಟು 3 raised to 4 exactly 81. D raised to A, D raised to A is 125. 81 plus 125 is 206. Correct answer. Next, D square minus B square. What is the D square is?
25.
5 square is 25. What is B square is?
16.
16. Yes, 25 minus 16 is 25 minus 16 is 9. Correct answer. Take this. D minus B into D plus B. What is the D minus B? D minus B.
1.
5 minus 3. No.
5 minus B. 5 minus 4.
D minus B. 5 minus 4 is 1. Shabash. Then you have D plus B.
9.
9. 1 into 9 is 9. Observe these two. What is your conclusion? They are same.
Yes, sir.
They are same under it is an identity. An identity under D square minus B square is equal to D plus B into D minus B. Identity is how identity? Is it not in the form of A square minus B square? What is A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. It is verified. Next, D square plus B square. B square plus B square. B square is 25. B square is 16. 25 plus 16 add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗ 25 16 ಕಣ್ ಮುಂದೆ ತಂದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು 10 digits ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ 20 10 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 30 plus 5 plus 6 is 11.
Add
40. That's it. Next, D plus B into D plus B. D plus B into D plus B. 9 9 is 81. Fine. What is the 5 into E into bracket A square minus 3B square? What is E is?
0.
0. Any number multiplied by 0. Either haklika hogodilla. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Directly barbodu. That's how you can handle it. So this is a where your skills, minute mistakes. You should not do it while making the calculations through examples I am showing you. Mathematics should be learned through example, through practice. That option is okay, fine. This is factorize, simplify. 10th one, simplify. Last one today, simplify. Learning 2x minus 2y plus 5y. Yes, help 2x minus into bracket x minus 2y plus 5y. Remove the bracket first.
2x minus.
So many students are weak in this simplification. I want to improve them. Remove the bracket. What do you get? Minus into plus is sign to sign gudisbek matlab. Amele coefficient minus. Minus into x is x. Next. Minus into minus is plus 2y. Then you have plus 5y. Simplify finally. X 1 2. Amele plus
7.
That's it. Correct answer. This problem is bracket builds even I have seen in higher classes also doing silly mistakes. I want to rectify the minus into plus bracket bracket then you will have minus into minus is plus 2. Try this. 4 into bracket 3a minus 2b minus 6 into bracket a minus b. Try simplify. 4 into bracket 3a minus 2b minus 6 into bracket 2a minus b. Try to simplify. You will get 4 3s are. You will get 12a plus into minus 4 2s are 8b minus 6 into a minus 6a sign note minus into minus plus what 6b. Be careful while removing the bracket. Finally, like terms simplify. 12a minus 6a will be minus 8b plus 6b
minus 2.
Shabash, minus 2. You learned how to simplify algebraic expressions. 6 into bracket 2c plus d minus 2 into bracket 3c minus d plus 5. Study the problem. We'll have 6 2s are. Yes. 12c plus 6 into d is 6d minus 2 3s are. You will get 6c. Correct? Continue.
Plus 2.
Minus into minus is plus 2 into d is 2d. Then you have 5. Try to simplify.
6c.
12c minus 6c is 6c.
Plus 8.
No, in identification of like terms. What do you get? 60 plus 2d is 8d. Then you have plus 5. Read out it. 6a, you have fourth one, right? 6a into bracket 6a minus 2 into bracket 3a minus 5b. Then you have minus into bracket a plus 4b. Carefully you have to solve. Yes, what do you do? Start 6a minus 6a. Continue. Sign. Remove the bracket. Minus into minus will be plus. First of all, multiply the number. 2 5s are 10. But write d. Remove the bracket. What do you get here? Minus into plus. Minus A. Minus into plus.
Minus 4.
Shabash. Minus 4B without mistake. What do you get here?
6A.
6A, 6A gets cancelled. Very good. Then what you are left with? 10B minus 4B.
6B.
6B minus A should be the perfect answer. Cancellation model. Then you have 3x into bracket. 2x minus 3y plus 2z minus 4x into bracket 2x plus 5y minus 3z. Simplify. What do you get? 6 2s are 3 2s are 6x square minus 3 3s are you will have 9xy
plus 6
plus 6xz. Improve your calculation skill. Minus into plus is minus
8x square
8x square. Very good.
minus 20
Minus 20xy. Good.
plus 12x.
Plus 12xz.
Yes, sir.
Multiply with z, xz. Remove the bracket, collect the like terms, then simplify. What do you get? 6x square minus 8x square.
Minus 2x.
Shabash. See the sign carefully. Bigger number is the number is 6 minus 8 the bigger number sign baribeku and take the absolute difference. Then prakaram erada baribeku sign edru baribeku bigger number baribeku. What about 9xy 20xy? Note
Minus 29.
So ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 9xy plus 20xy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 29xy. Don't do the mistakes. I'm just showing you possible mistakes before you enter into the 9th standard syllabus. 6xz 12xz. What do you get? 18xz. Shabash. 18xz. Hope you understood.
Yes.
That is all. You can learn your simplification skills. Avoid possible mistakes by learning these examples. Sixth one. You have 2xy into bracket. 2xy into bracket. 3x minus 4y. Try this. Minus 5xy into bracket 2x minus y. Yes, continue. Let us simplify. Take the product. What do you get? 2 3s are. Be careful. 6. What do you write?
X square
Shabash. X square y. Tell me second one.
minus 8.
Plus into minus is minus. Shabash. 2 4s are
8.
8.
XY square
Xy square. Very good. Next.
minus 10.
Minus 10.
X square
X square y. Good. Minus into minus is plus
5x
5xy square. Very good. Collect the like terms without a mistake. X square y term will underline ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. X square y, X square y. ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ?
minus 4x square
Exactly. Minus 4x square y. Then you have minus 8xy square plus 5xy square.
minus 3xy
3xy square. Minus 3xy square. Just by multiplying, you have removed the bracket. They are not like terms. Keep them as they are. 7th one. And 8th one. In ಎರಡವ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ.
yes
2a square into bracket 3a minus 2ab minus 5ab into bracket 2a square minus 4ab. 2a square minus 4a. Remove the bracket and try to simplify. These are routine activities we are doing in algebra. If you have any doubts in such simple simplification, clarify them right now before I start. Second, that 9th standard algebra, arithmetic. Remove the bracket, what you get? 2 3s are 6. A square into a is a cube. Plus into minus 6. Minus 2 2s are 4. A square into a is a cube. B. Remove the bracket. Minus into plus is minus 5 2s are 10. What do you get? Yes. A square in agree. Shabash. A cube into B. Note. Mistake ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Minus into minus is plus. What do you get? 5 4s are 20. A square. No. AB.
A square B.
A square B square. Observe carefully. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 6a cube. Any common terms? Nothing. 6a cube. Now you collect a cube B. Minus 4a cube B. Minus 10a cube B. How many terms a cube B?
Minus 14.
Shabash. Minus 14 a cube B. Very good. Continue. Plus
20a square.
20a square B square. Fine. Last problem for today. Warm up. Algebra. Minus 3p. Minus 3p. Minus into bracket p plus q. Plus 2q into bracket p minus 3. Remove the bracket and try to simplify. That is minus 3p. Remove the bracket. Minus into plus is minus p. Minus into plus is minus q. Plus 2q into p is 2pq. I hope I am clearing some of the basic doubts. Plus into minus is minus 6q. Don't do these mistakes when your syllabus is on. Minus 3p minus p.
Minus 4.
Minus 4p. Shabash. Continue. Minus q minus 6q.
Minus 7q.
Minus 7q. Good.
Plus 2.
Plus 2p. That's it.
Yes.
Stop today. Continue the next class.
Yes.